DPI World Report. Episode 14. Time is the system. Time is the least visible system and the most unforgiving. Infrastructure does not fail all at once. It erodes on schedules that are measured in years. This episode is about time, not as history, but as pressure. Every system is built with an assumption. A bridge is rated for decades, a pipe for generations, a grid for demand that does not yet exist. These assumptions are not promises. They are bets. Time is where those bets are tested. There are two ways systems survive time: maintenance or replacement. Maintenance is quiet. It extends life without celebration. Replacement is visible. It arrives when time has already won. Most failures happen between those two decisions. Deferred maintenance is not neglect. It is often policy. Budgets are annual. Infrastructure is not. Time accumulates silently until it surfaces as cost, risk, or failure. By the time it is visible, the timeline has already closed. Digital systems change the relationship with time. Sensors shorten feedback loops. Data exposes decay earlier. But data does not decide. People do. Digital public infrastructure does not remove time pressure. It makes it visible. Every society inherits its systems from decisions made before it. The question is not whether time will act. The question is whether action arrives before time does. This is the DPI World Report.